Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on the Upscrolled app. If you are not happy with your current username or want a new handle, this video will help you. The steps are very easy, so make sure to watch till the end. First, open the Upscrolled app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Now, on your profile page, tap on the Settings icon. From the Settings menu, tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Handle. Here you will see your current username. Remove your existing username. Now type the new username that you want to use. After entering the new name, follow the on-screen instructions. If the username is available, you will be able to save it successfully. Once saved, your Upscrolled username will be updated instantly. Keep in mind that some usernames may already be taken, so try a unique name if needed. And that's it. This is how you can easily change your username on Upscrolled. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick fixes and app tutorials.